अनंत गजाली अग्नीच्या सांगतान कर्तुबी गोंयकार ल्हान जाले म्हान.
नमस्कार आणि येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक. एक खास कार्यावळ परत एक फावट ल्हान जाले म्हान ह्या कार्यावळीन आमी तुमचो सगळ्यांचो येवकार करता. आयची ही कार्यावळ खऱ्या अर्थान म्हाज्या खातीर एक वेगळी आसतली, कारण कितलेशे आमी इंटरव्यू घेतले, कितलेशे आमी जे म्हान गोंयकार आसा तांकां मेळ्ळे. पूण आज जांच्या बरोबर हांव आसा न्ही, तांकां जेन्ना पयले फावट मेळ्ळो तेन्ना दॅट वॉज दी टायम की येस, अशे एक एंटरप्रेनर ज्यांनी एक पॉझिटिवली काम केलें. तांचे कडेन उलयतना ज्यो गोश्टी लक्षांत येता न्ही त्यो खूब पॉझिटीव आसता. मनशान फुडें कशें सरपाक जाय, किंवा एक एंटरप्रेनर कसो आसपाक जाय, किंवा आपलो बिझनस कसो आसपाक जाय, हाजे बद्दल इतलेंच न्ही जाल्यार सोशली कशें आसपाक जाय आपूण मनशान, हाजे बद्दल सुद्दां आमकां खूब म्हायती मेळटा. ते अशे एक व्यक्ती जांच्यांनी आयकलां आसतलें तांच्या बद्दल, बट व्हिडिओ इंटरव्यू खूब कमी पयले आसतले, कारण कॅमेरा फुड्यान ते सदांच सांगता की नाका, आपल्या कॅमेरान मातसो फाटीं रावल्यार चड बरें. बट येस, तांच्यो ज्यो एक्सपिरियन्स आसा न्ही ते आयकपा सारके आसा. फादर ऑफ IT नेटवर्कींग इन इंडिया अशे हे व्यक्ती, जांच्यांनी ही इज अ फावंडर ऑफ D-Link इन इंडिया. आमच्या गोंयान सुद्दां तांचो खूब मोठो हातभार आसा. आमच्या गोंयान एक व्हडली इंडस्ट्री आसा, DigiSoul, D-Link सारकिल्यो इंडस्ट्रीज, स्मार्टलिंक सारकिल्यो इंडस्ट्री तांच्यांनी हांगासर सेटअप केल्ली आसा. आनी बिगस्ट इंडस्ट्री IT सेक्टरांतली जी आमच्या गोंयान काम करता. कमलाक्ष नायक सर आमच्या बरोबर आसा. सर, येवकार सगळ्यांत पयलीं, एंड थँक्यू सर सगळ्यांत पयलीं तुमी आमकां टायम दिलो म्हूण आयज ह्या इंटरव्यू खातीर. सर, आय स्टार्ट वीथ दी चायल्डहूड, बट ताज्या पयलीं न्ही एक प्रश्न म्हाका विचारपाक जाय. तुमी सदांच तुमकां मेळटा तेन्ना यू आर पॉझिटीव, खूब पॉझिटीव आसता. ह्या एजीचेर आनी इतले सगळे करून सुद्दां पॉझिटिविटी दवरप कशें शक्य जाता सर?
पॉझिटिविटी म्हणजे तुगेल पोजिशना प्रमाण आसता. आतां पळय, कामाक उरता, कितें करता, नर्वस कितें जाता, कितें इज इट नॉट? वी आर हॅपी. आय एम ऑलवेज हॅपी बिकॉज मेनली म्हाका दिसता बिकॉज ऑफ गॉडेस.
देवाचे एक आशिर्वाद आसा. सर, तुमी आतां DigiSoul होल्ड करता, D-Link तुमी फावंड केल्ली, स्मार्टलिंक आतां आसा, फादर ऑफ IT नेटवर्कींग इन इंडिया, हे सगळ्यो पदव्यो तुमकां आयज मेळ्ळ्या. बट चायल्डहूडा बद्दल म्हाका पयलीं सांगा, कशें आशिल्लें?
चायल्डहूड म्हाका कितें जालें, बिकॉज आवर ओल्ड स्टोरी तुका खबर, बरेच जाणांक खबर आसा, बिकॉज वी आर बेजिकली फ्रॉम हियर एन्सेस्टर. सो वी हॅपन टू रीच आउटसायड बॉर्डर, इट्स हार्डली 5 किलोमिटर्स. थंय रावले पळय आमकां कांयच खबर नाशिल्लें, बिकॉज वी वर नोईंग आमी गोंयचे म्हणगे, बट वी हॅड नो आयडिया एट ऑल. आनी देवा वयल्यान सगळें जातालें. बिकॉज लकीली आमगेले जे तीन चार पूर्वज आसा पळय, 3 चल, तेमी हंच्यान ते झाडाचे खांदी घेवंक गेल्ल्याक जाले. तशे बरेच जाण गेल्ले, बरोबर? इट इज नॉट दॅट आमचे पयशे न्ही, बरेच जाण गेले, ते कांय घेतले ना. हे कशे कित्याक घेतले? देर मस्ट बी सम रिजन. इवन पुर्तुगाल वचून हांवें पळयलो की आय वॉन्टेड टू सी वॉट इज हॅपन टू दॅट पांडुरंग, म्हाका पुर्वज.
जो तुमचो हांगासर पुर्वज आशिल्लो तो. पूण ताज्या उपरांत तुमी स्कुलींग बीन केलें, एंड देन
स्कुलींग बिलींग मला कितें जालें, फादर वॉज इन गव्हर्मेंट सर्वीस, तेजेन्ना मोस्टली कर्नाटका सगळें स्कुलींग जालें. आनी म्हाजें मॅट्रिक्युलेशन जालें अंकोलात, बिकॉज दॅट टायम फादर वॉज देर. आनी हांव SSC स्टेटा फर्स्ट आयलो मॅथ्साक. सो मॅथ्स म्हणल्यार ते व्हड समजतालें सगळें. तर सगळे जाण म्हणटाले तूं आतां इंजिनियरींग कर. तो फादर म्हणचे लागलो, आमी 6 जाण, आय एम द एल्डेस्ट, इम्पॉसिबल. जाल्यार आपूण कारवारांत ट्रान्सफर करून घेता, तो डिप्लोमा कर म्हणलो. आय कांट हेल्प, पण फादर इज सेस आय वी आर नॉट वेल टू डू न्हू.
तुमकां करपाचें आसलें डिप्लोमा?
न्ही, डिप्लोमा करचें पडलें न्ही, नाल्यार इंजिनियरींग करचें आशिल्लें, म्हाका ग्रॅज्युएशन करचें आशिल्लें न्ही. ग्रॅज्युएशना भायर वचचें पडटा, कांट हेल्प. सो डिप्लोमा फर्स्ट इयर 90 रुपीज भाडें, हे कितें फीस ती दिवंक जाम जाली. आनी लकीली सेकंड इयर म्हाका स्कॉलरशीप मेळ्ळें, बिकॉज आय वॉज फर्स्ट क्लास. सो सेकंड इयर थर्ड इयर स्कॉलरशीप पास जावन मागीर जॉब जाय म्हणल्यार मागीर खंय वचचो, बेंगलोर गेलो. बेंगलोरू कोणाक वळख ना. मागीर म्हाजो कझीन आशिल्लो बॉम्बे, तो म्हणटालो तूं यो. मागीर हांवें बॉम्बे गेलो. बॉम्बे गेल्यार 2 म्हयने विदावट जॉब रावचें कठीण. फादरान 50 रुपया धाडलो. फादरान 50 रुपया जन्मात फर्स्ट दिलो म्हाका, मनी ऑर्डर.
सो आफ्टर कॉलेज
पयलीं 1 रुपया दिलो ना जन्मात, फर्स्ट 50 रुपीज. आय केप्ट दॅट. यू विल नॉट बिलीव, फादर आर व्हेरी स्ट्रिक्ट, यू सी, वॉट एवर इट इज. लकीली मागीर इमिडिएटली जॉब जाय म्हण थंय एक दुसरो इनकम टॅक्स ऑफिसर म्हणजे वळखीचो आमगेलो गांवचोच तेणें म्हाका जॉब दिले तुर्ता एक घे म्हण आनी दॅट इज आय बिकम सर्वीस इंजिनियर ऑफ ब्रॅडमा ऑफ इंडिया दॅट इज अड्रेमा दॅट इज प्रिंटींग हे मशीन प्रिंटींग मशीन्स एक्चुअली इमिडिएटली जॉब जाय न्ही इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम या सो आय गॉट दॅट जॉब एंड ऑल दॅट एंड देन 1969 ती एडवर्टायजमेंट पळयलो IBM मातशी एडवर्टायजमेंट आयले आय वेंट देर फॉर इंटरव्यू आय गॉट पास एंड थ्रू आउट पास जालो आनी तो रियली आय वॉज सिलेक्टेड एज ए असेंबलर तेन्ना I joined as an assembler and tester of machines of ordinary IBM 407 machines. That was my first job. That was my first job with interest and all that. And I was lucky because IBM is an American company and if they see talent in you, to hushar tar asa, they give you anything you want. Trust me. That is the American style. They said, I did my post-graduation in industrial engineering because IBM recommended that I am fit to do that. Now, graduation जाल्सो मेळना आनी तेन्ना तांकां स्टुडंट बी जाय जाल्ले सो आय वॉज लकी सो आय डीड 1 year पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन गोईंग एवरी डे इवनिंग अर्ली देन आय डीड प्लास्टीक इंजिनियरींग salary paid everything but in the evening they used to give me off म्हाजे पयशे बरेच जाणां दिल्ले they are good because they wanted the employees to come up and they wanted to help fees दिताले आमकां they used to give at least 1 hour early not too much 1 hour early
but still
that is what it is and then I did even business management of from Bombay University that also that is only 4 months so all that money and I could come up and then I become very good engineer and then IBM has decided to manufacture this product in India that is printer and all that IBM complete so that was a very good job and they had transferred to engineering job because I was very intelligent and I come up
nice,
it's all funny
nice. बट IBM मागीर सोडपाचें रिजन कितें आशिल्लें
IBM सोडला because it was so good everybody was see I was drawing in the beginning 450 my salary has reached to 2500 for 450 in just 8-9 years and you will not believe 5 days working Saturday Sunday off and then free trip to hometown every year free trip ditale by aeroplane I used to come here temple vache कारवाराचे दॅट इज सो गुड
बट 450 सुद्दां त्या टायमार खूब आशिल्ले
या 450
खूब आशिल्ले
दॅट वॉज अ गुड सॅलरी न्हू आनी ओवर टायम मेळटालें आमकां दॅट वॉज व्हेरी गुड द सॅलरी वॉज गुड आय डीड वेल बट 1978 जनता गव्हर्मेंट डिसायडेड दॅट all the American companies should dilute and they were not ready to dilute so we lost the job IBM closed down all operation and they gave some money I received around 70,000 rupees that itself is huge 70,000 rupees first installment and 10,000 rupees next 5 installment because over 5 years so they get everybody was paid this money was very good
but there was chance ki tumka सांगितले की you shift
yeah
to
that is
foreign
true
also
they have given some people because I was offered job in Australia I don't wanted to go I was only 31-year-old so I said I will not go and I remained there then I joined one company there is one Sarabai's company they wanted to develop IBM kind of machines printer and there I joined with 6-7 engineers they have taken and they made a team to develop that we tried to develop we made that prototype also but a huge investment required for manufacturing that they were not ready so again it was a tough time then same time I thought of joining another company in Bombay because I want to remain in the same line and then I was manufacturing this I had a very good experience of manufacturing components of computers
अच्छा
आणि कितें जातालें because the old computer part importing part was 100% duty 150% duty also the duty was very high and reworking the part I used to make big money then I started a company for 1982 for reworking a prop
so first
parts.
company
First company
1982
reworking of this part and manufacturing some of the part which are possible to manufacture they are all mechanical parts So that I started first. That
now
is
कितें
called
आशिल्लें?
Motco, Modern Components and Tooling Company, Motco. And there I had taken a partner. At कितें जातालें, because all the computer which were in India, they has to maintain. So either they have to import the part, which was very high cost, or I used to repair the product, repair the components, mechanical actually. So I used to earn good money. So in 4 years I could earn very good money. The partner was also very happy. And then personal computer. When I saw personal computer, I decided to manufacture personal computer. Then I got involved with one fellow who is having a good money, cash. So I got him as a, I said, I convinced him, you invest into this, and we have become virtual computer brand card. Virtual computer. That was my first company. Kaltoka 1986, I started manufacturing, that is first computer company. Started manufacturing computer, personal computer, and selling brand virtual computer. Within 4 years, that networking product that is 92, 93. Then I started selling dealing product first as a distributor. I was a distributor of dealing. And then I decided that future will be networking. Because computer skill bane tale. Then I went to see this Konkani in 93. Then I met Konkani and I met those people also that we should do joint venture and manufacture in India. If I manufacture in India, the duty difference is almost 40-50%. And that is good. And that time made in India mala ka special ka melna shele. But duty difference, because of the duty difference, he was very happy. He said, I'll become partner. So I'm a partner. After coming here, then I wanted to look for big place. I was not able to get. That is, Bombay place is very costly. I was having 3 galas.
So that time dealing already found झाली.
No, dealing zalna shili. That was only we decided to have a joint venture.
Okay.
Then Mr. Sawant, as I told you, SD Sawant, he is my friend, and then he guided that why don't you come to Goa, and we came to Goa, and then luckily I got this plot of Verna, happened to be very near to my goddess.
Nice. Sir, पण म्हाका सांगा, at that time, Verna, yours company was the first company over here, or त्याच्या पयली आशिल्लो company?
हांगा आनी कोण ती एक कंपनी आशिल्ली, very rare. That time they were welcoming. कोणी आयला खाली आशिल्लें.
Project new आशिल्लो.
Yeah, I was new. And they were helping lot. That time Goa government was helping left and right. They gave EDC, land, JIDC, land been सगळे loan मेळटाले न्ही. That was very easy. Well, then I had taken bank loan by keeping my father's property. I had no money. I had only 30 lakh rupees. I came here only 30 lakh rupees. And praying to goddess.
God grace, sir. Sir, हांगासर जेन्ना तुमी आयले, then how DG Link started?
DG Link मा केलें, dealing brands सुरू जाल्लीं आमगेलें. Dealing was a brand. Then 93, when I came here, I had taken the land. It took 1 year to construct a building. And 95 January, we did this. Then I have to take loan here and there. Oh, it was very bad, no doubt. Then when the company started, 95, I invited them. Nitin knows, when Nitin was here, and they felt it's a good place. Maybe they liked our fish curry, I don't know. Then they said they will invest money, and they invested 19% only, not even 50. I offered them 51% at the beginning itself, because it's a technology, and we were not having technology. But 50, this is okay, because there's nothing to do. 19 are 19 zale. Then when we started doing well, they immediately made 51%. It took almost 3-4 years. It's okay, but ultimately they become Dealing India. The company has become, it was Smartlink in the beginning, it has become Dealing India. And in Dealing India, then I introduced the cabling product. I had a very good knowledge about cabling product during IBM days. Then I went to London, made a joint venture with a London company called Sapphire UK. The Sapphire is a company in the UK. That's in Cambridge. I made a joint venture and wanted to manufacture this. Then that Sapphire company, UK company, they said they will not invest money because financially it was not easy for them and they were not very keen. Then I started bringing product from Taiwan. And Taiwan, then I started introducing dealing. And in dealing management was not happy. That cabling business, they do not wanted to give. So we are in the networking, he said, better take on your brand. Then I established DigiLink brand on my name. It is on my personal name. And then I started all the D-Link brand under DigiLink name. The cable introduced DigiLink, and DigiLink brand has become famous, and it has become 50-50 business. The DigiLink has become 150 crore, and this was 150 crore. And in 2007, we decided D-Link in Taiwan, they stopped manufacturing. They started also importing from China. And then they said, better you also stop manufacturing, because manufacturing, Tengelterna, parent company, you also import, otherwise better stop. Then we got parted off, and the company's name changed back to SmartLink, and everything remained with me. And they formed a new company that by giving all the shareholders free share, and that has become a new D-Link India. And then I am supposed to handhold the company for 3 years. That was the agreement. But unfortunately, the last day, parting day, that was 2008, 31st March. 1st April, I want to shake his hand. That day he died. He was younger to me. He is younger to me at least by 2-3 years, 2.5 years. Then I have to introduce D-Link equivalent brand Digisol. Digisol Asani, it is just like D-Link brand, D-Link product. And DigiLink was also going along with D-Link. So DigiLink and D-Link, that business was doing very well. We become 150 crore, even DigiLink. Then the DigiLink, because here any active product amgal pura gel. So we introduced a new brand Digisol. The same D-Link type of product we introduced under Digisol. That is a local first networking brand in 2009. So that is even today doing well. Is a Digisol is a local networking first brand. So lower end, we are the only, even today there is only networking brand is Digisol. Anek is DigiLink, luckily that Schneider Electric company, that is a French company, they were interested in our business. So they acquired for $100 million. That time it was 503 crores. So they purchased with 2 buildings, that last building, and they acquired this DigiLink business because they wanted to take DigiLink business worldwide, because they are in everywhere. They are more than $30 billion company that time, it's a huge company. So they have taken over this. And we parted off DigiLink and we continued with only Digisol brand. Digisol brand, when we continued, we faced problem because the product supply manufacturing, it is a huge area. So it was best had I closed that. I don't wanted to close. Once you have the factory, that my intention is aaj to kal hoega. Today we are reached to a stage. Today Digisol is also doing well. Now we also did a joint venture with making very high-end product, that is called Telebox company. And a joint venture, but it is because it's high-end, very difficult to sell in India.
So after looking आयचो जो scenario of IT industry, IT industry future कसं पळयता overall sir, not only
overall किस जाता सा, because the government support is so much for manufacturing. This is the best facility, number one. This is the expertise is having more than 30 years of manufacturing. Engineers they are more than 30 years. They reach the age of 60, 65 also, but they are experienced. You see, our staff here is well trained. We can manufacture everything and anything in electronics, no doubt. So they were very keen. So going forward, now because of government support, we will not have any problem. Because government is also supporting, they are giving some money also, there's so many schemes are there. So that is very good. As far as manufacturing concerned, we will not have any problem. And the brand company is also doing well. Now brand is being a local, it is very well recognized all over India. A lot of people are coming because they feel Goa is a better place. Because near to airport, near to seaport, everything, you see, for the people also good. Such area you will not get. We got more than 8 acres land. We got 5 buildings here. So it is very easy for this, but only thing is, we need right kind of technology to manufacture.
सर पूण आतां इतले तुमचो करियर आसा लायक हालींच सराचे बद्दल एक सांगपा म्हळ्यार 75th बर्थडे जालो सर सर एंड देन 50 years ऑफ युअर IT इंडस्ट्रीन तुमी दिल्लो आसा सर अप्स एंड डावन्स जाले खुबशे सो हितूक स्ट्रेस आसता.
नाही कितें जाता की इफ यू हॅव अ इंटेंशन ऑफ ओनली यू वॉन्ट टू मेक मनी देन इज इट डिफरंट मनी आय नेवर हॅड अ प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज शी इज हियर आय डोंट हॅव टू बॉदर अबाउट मनी दॅट्स वॉट आय वॉज टेलिंग यू नेवर बॉदर्ड अबाउट मनी मनी इज देयर न्हू पयशे उरल्यानंतर बोडाक कितें त्रास आसा सांग पळया खंयचो काम उरो तुगे पयशे तर आसा मरे बोडा त्रास ना न्ही सांग पळया तूं पयशा फाटी लागला बोडा त्रास पयशा फाटी लागलो तर तूं मेलो म्हूण समजतो म्हळ्यार जन्मभर तूं त्याच कामात उरतलो न्ही पयशे पयशे म्हण
मेन रिजन म्हाका दिसता तुमी हॅपी रावपाचें सुद्दां हेच आसा यू नेवर थॉट अबाउट मनी अँड अदर थिंग आय हॅव नोटीस सर की लायक तुमचो विश्वास म्हाळसात न्ही देवाचेर खूब आसा की ही इज देर वीथ यू हे तुमी सदांच सांगता सदांच
शी हॅज बीन हेल्पिंग
बट तुमी स्कूल सुद्दां एक आय जस्ट वॉन्ट टू
आमच्या स्कूल न्ही लकीली दे स्टार्टेड स्कूल आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी आनी ब्रिलियंट नाव दे आर बिल्डींग दीस होल बिल्डींग कॉस्टिंग मोर दॅन 10 crore इट इज इन द नेम ऑफ कॅनकॉप
अच्छा
हय तेणें आमकां हेल्प केलें न्ही सो ऑन हीज नेम आय हॅव टेकन हीज ऑल द परमिशन ऑफ हीज वायफ
ब्युटिफूल स्कूल सर आमी पळयलें एंड देन फ्री एज्युकेशन
that whatever possible we are trying to do ki jata ki education is a must we had a problem no for us that was the real problem now even we are constructing residence for people 32 people can stay we have restaurant we are making whatever possible in this I have planned to spend certain money in this so it will be huge ne आणि कितें जाता ट्रस्टाक म्हळ्यार कितें जाता की ऑल पीपल यू सी लोकांक मनान दिवं जाय न्ही मनान दिवं जाय की ना
सारकें सर
हां कोणी विचारून घेवन दिवचें म्हळ्यार ताका अर्थ ना येसे तूं परत परत यू आर टू टेलिंग बाबा दीस इज गूड कॉज यू वॉन्ट टू गिव यू गिव बिकॉज पीपल हू गिव दे वील ऑलवेज गिव न्ही वी डोंट हॅव आनी कोणा पळय दिवचें मन ना वी शुड नेवर शुड आस्क देम इट इज नॉट करेक्ट यू आर हर्टिंग देम we are hurting we are unnecessarily hurting somebody he is not giving why should you bother don't bother about आणि केन्ना पळय we should not give पयशे दिता म्हूण होड म्हूण समजनो आमी that's very bad
सर एक क्वेश्चन म्हाका विचारपाक जाय आशिल्लो तुमकां इट इज लायक बिजनसमॅन जे आसता न्ही तांचे एक संवेदनशील आसप गरजेचें आसता काय बिकॉज टुवर्ड्स दी सोसायटी ऑर एज अ ह्युमन बिईंग एक बिजनसमॅन कसो आसपाक जाय सर
See, businessmen, it all depends, because see, social work in terms of offering something from your earnings and all that, it is not necessary you to be businessman. Only the businessman earns more, so he may be afford to give more. See, what happens, you go to temple, just for it, this is my thinking. तुम्ही 4 आणे तर दिले, मनान तर दिले न्ही, it is equivalent to कोणाला 4 कोटी बी दिले, एकच. मनान दिवं जाय दॅट इज द प्रॉब्लेम देवालयाक गेले नंतर चिल्लर सोदतात आनी च्या पिताना नोटां दितात इट इज नॉट करेक्ट न्ही देवालयाक गेले तेन्ना डब्या घालूं तेंगे डबी उरतात न्ही चिल्लर आसकी पळयता नोट घालूं जायना च्या पितान तूं 100 रुपया दिता च्या बऱ्या हॉटेलाक कितले तुका कितले कॉस्ट 25 रुपया दिता हांगा मात्र तुका कॉयन जाय So this is the problem of people who want to, you see, you want to devote, you give anything. God doesn't want money. God want money. It's foolishness. God doesn't want, because you want to do that. See, why I do for temple? Because I love it, I like it. I am least bothered about whether you are giving. I am giving because I love. God doesn't need. You don't think that हांवें दिलें म्हण देव म्हाका वॅल्यू जास्ती दिना म्हण नो आय कॅनॉट थिंक दॅट हांवें देवाक कितलें केलां म्हाकाच कितें सांग देवान कितें करूं जाय इफ यू थिंक दॅट गॉड वील नॉट बी हॅपी नो हांवें तुका इतलें दिलां म्हाका इतलें दी म्हण अर्थ आसा रे तेका
सर एक बट आनी एक क्वेश्चन आशिल्लो की बिजनसमॅन इमोशनली खूब सावंड आसपाक जाय कारण इमोशनली चड आसत जाल्यार तुका बिजनसान कोणी फायदो घेवं शकता
नाही because people may take undue advantage of this thing also. That is only you have to be. This businessmen there are 2 types. One is always looking at your profitability and all that. The businessman you should have profitability also because you are investing money, your money or even others' money and all that because your bank money and all that. You should have some kind of profitability all that. But you should not have a mind that you have to deceive and make money, then it is a problem. If you think that you have to deceive and make money, is wrong. Ne? So I don't think any businessman does that. Then it is a problem.
तुमच्या बाबतीत एक गोष्ट जी म्हाका खबर आसा दॅट तुमी खूब जाणांक हेल्प केला टू स्टार्ट देअर इंडस्ट्रीज ऑल्सो.
No, that is, but naturally anybody will be helping it because somebody helped me, so I have to do it.
तुम्ही सुद्धा फुडें तांकां हेल्प करपाचो प्रयत्न
That is
करता.
okay. That is okay.
सो आयज आमी पळयता खुबशे स्टार्टअप्स येतात एंड दे क्लोज डावन व्हेरी सून. खूब स्टार्टअप्स येतात बट क्लोज डावन जातात. वॉट इज द रिजन सर?
The startup asani, see, if they want to grow, it takes more time also. It is all depend upon what start. You should have basic knowledge. If you know basic knowledge, you want to do something. What is a startup? खंयचे startup करतानी, you should have basic knowledge and you should know the profitability. You should know how you can sell the product. It is not so easy. You may be making best product. How to sell? It is not easy to sell. Ne? So any businessman entering into business, he should think about everything. You may be able to manufacture good product, but how to sell? It is not so easy.
बट आजकाल द यूथ जे आसा तांकां पेशन्स खूब कमी आसा अशें दिश्टी पडटा. पेशन्स अबाउट पेशन्स.
Selling becomes very difficult. There are a lot of companies have come. I have seen in Bangalore also. Lot of companies have come because software bit they learn and all that. Now IoT also, so many products have come. So many companies are closing down also. Startup, there are lot of startup come. Some startup make money. Some startup they cannot because of this reason. Sale is very difficult.
So now they are saying is AI is the next future of the world. So artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
So normally this in IT industry and AI is connected. So is it की India will be the next change अशें जावपाक शकता?
नाही, इंडिया कितें जाला, स्कोप खूब जाला आतां. सी आतां कितें जाला, बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट इंडियन कंडिशन्स आर बेटर नाव. एवरीथींग इज इनक्रीजिंग. सी इफ यू सी अबाउट 20 years back, India was not there at all. Main कितें आसा, number of usage will be very less. पयलीं if you talk about 30-40 years back, number of computers will be less.
बरोबर.
You go and see how many computers used to come. आज सगळेच आसा म्हणजे हरकत ना, अशें जालें आसा. Because of that, our need has increased and all that, and you can manufacture today and sell also easily. The volume of sale is increased because of the usage. Technology changes, it has become so much.
म्हाका दिसता एक अशे व्यक्ती जांचे लायफ जेन्नाच्यान तेंच्यांनी इंडस्ट्री सुरू केली ते आज पर्यंत एक पॅशन म्हणून पळयतात. येस, डेफिनेटली अप्स एंड डावन सगळ्यांक आसता, बट दी पर्सन जांणी एक देवा खातीरूय समर्पण केल्लें आपलें आनी इंडस्ट्री चलोवप, तातूंत एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिवप. And today he is the आमी जशें म्हणटा दी फादर ऑफ IT नेटवर्किंग इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया आनी गोंयान स्मार्ट लिंक सारकिल्यो कंपनीज आयज तांच्या अंडर आसा. सर, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच तुमी टायम दिलो म्हणून. देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू सर. थँक्यू. देव बरें.
Thank you.